Hello, I'm Donna Korn, Countywide At-Large member of the School Board of Broward County. The district's vision is to educate today's students to succeed in tomorrow's world. We work tirelessly towards that goal by supporting students' academic progress and helping them develop social, emotional, and interpersonal skills that enable them to thrive in college and beyond. Success in the future also requires we support students' mental health and give them the tools they need to become engaged and productive members of the community. Unfortunately, far too many children in Broward County and across the nation cope with unimaginable challenges at home that they have lifelong consequences and limit their potential. April is National Child Abuse Prevention Month, and I am proud to share the district's commitment to protecting students who are victims of child abuse, neglect, and family violence. Our educators and staff are mandated by law to report suspected cases of abuse. On average, our employees submit approximately 1,000 reports of abuse and neglect each year. Over the past 2 years, unprecedented challenges and additional stress from isolation, fear, and the economic impact of COVID-19 have exacerbated the problem, and school closures have limited our staff's ability to report suspected cases of abuse. As a result, more children are silently suffering from physical, emotional, and sexual abuse at home. Last year, Broward County Public Schools partnered with the Lawrence Kids Foundation to launch Safer, Smarter Schools, an innovative curriculum focused on preventing abuse by giving children the awareness they need to recognize and report abusive behavior if or when it happens to them. Safer, Smarter Schools was created by Broward County native Senator Lauren Book, a survivor of childhood sexual abuse, educator, and founder of the Lawrence Kids Foundation. The goal of Safer, Smarter Schools is to empower children to protect themselves by learning to distinguish between safe and unsafe situations, and by identifying and speaking to trusted adults when they feel unsafe. Please take a moment and watch a short video about this important new program at Broward County Public Schools.
Stop! That's not safe!
Safer, Smarter Schools is an effective and easy-to-use pre-kindergarten through grade 12 abuse prevention and personal safety curriculum, brought to you by the experts at the Lawrence Kids Foundation. Teachers, chances are you have at least one child whose life has been affected by sexual abuse sitting in your classroom. Visit safersmarterschools.org today to learn more.
The Safer, Smarter Schools program consists of 5 to 8 lessons that are integrated into social sciences, reading, and health classes. Through in-class lessons, videos, and activities, it provides general safety rules, explains safe and unsafe touches, and addresses digital safety, bullying, mental health, and human trafficking prevention. The district piloted the 3rd grade curriculum in 27 elementary schools last year, and it was extremely well received by teachers and students alike. The curriculum was so successful, the district decided to implement it across the elementary grades this year and plans to roll it out to all grades. You can learn more about Lawrence Kids by visiting safersmarterfamilies.org. Student Services has several activities planned this month to raise awareness on the issue of violence against children. Schools will receive a child abuse prevention yard sign to display, and some schools will plant pinwheel gardens. April is also Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and Broward County Public Schools is proud to stand in solidarity with victims of sexual assault. Wednesday is Denim Day, a national effort to educate communities about sexual assault and violence. That day, we ask that staff wear blue jeans to show their support for survivors of sexual assault and abuse and learn more about the causes and risk factors of sexual assault and to work together to prevent it in our community. Broward County Public Schools will continue to work to eradicate child abuse and sexual assault, proactively report suspected cases of abuse, and ensure our students have access to the lessons, tools, and support they need to protect themselves in safe, smart ways. I want to leave you with this thought. Incidents of physical, sexual, and emotional abuse against children, along with family violence in general, have increased significantly during the last 2 years due to the isolation, stress, and pressures caused by the global pandemic. Now, more than ever, We must be vigilant in recognizing children who are coping with violence at home. We need to be proactive and give children the tools they need to recognize risk, connect with trusted adults, and give families the support they need to overcome the consequences of violence in the home. This April, let's work together to help victims of child abuse and sexual assault move from crisis to confidence.